Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best cab mounts is probably one of the most overlooked components when it comes to maintaining your 2011 F-350, but they play a crucial role in ride comfort and vehicle longevity. These mounts act as the crucial link between your truck's cab and frame, absorbing the shocks and vibrations from the road, ensuring a smoother and more comfortable driving experience, while also protecting the cab from damage. Number 5. E-cowlboy KF04060BK Body Mount Bushing Kit. This kit is a perfect fit for 2008 to 2016 Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty models, including 2WD and 4WD versions. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your factory mounts, ensuring a seamless installation. Made with high-density polyurethane, this kit offers exceptional strength and durability. It resists deformation, corrosion, and aging, guaranteeing long-lasting reliability for your vehicle. These body mounts are resistant to vehicle fluids and road grime. They help maintain proper body and frame alignment, providing a more positive attachment to the frame and insulating the cab. The kit includes 8 body mounts, steel sleeves, washers, and a hardware kit. Everything you need for a complete and professional installation is included. We offer a 30-day return policy and a 12-month warranty. If you're not completely satisfied with it, simply return it for a refund. Purchase with confidence. What we like. This kit boasts premium polyurethane construction, ensuring strength and durability. It's also designed to OEM specifications, guaranteeing a perfect fit. Plus, it comes with a 12-month warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution for your F-350, this is the one to consider. What people say. These mounts are very reasonably priced, and provide a nice stiff ride for my truck. The polyurethane gives you better feel for the road and tighter performance in my opinion. They fit perfectly. Truck I bought had no cab mounts. These fit great and rode great. Number 4. E-cowlboy KF04060BK Body Mount Bushing Kit. This kit is designed specifically for 2008 to 2016 Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty models, both 2WD and 4WD. It's a direct replacement for your factory mounts, ensuring a perfect fit for XL, XLT, FX4, Lariat, Platinum, Cabela's, King Ranch, and Harley-Davidson Edition trucks. Made with a premium-grade, high-density polyurethane blend, this kit offers exceptional strength and longevity. It resists deformation, corrosion, and the effects of aging, ensuring long-lasting reliability. High-quality plated steel sleeves and hardware are also included. These body mounts are resistant to vehicle fluids and road grime. They maintain proper body and frame alignment, providing a more secure attachment to the frame. It also helps insulate the cab while maintaining superior holding power and cushioning effect. The kit includes 8 body mounts, part M04060-01, 8 body mounts, part M04060-02, 2 body mounts, part M03306, 8 small steel mounts, part S22545, 8 large steel mounts, part S22319, 2 washers, part S10126, and a hardware kit, part BP04057. We are confident in the quality of this product. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return it within 30 days for a full refund. It also comes with a 12-month warranty. Purchase with confidence from E-cowlboy. What we like. This kit offers premium polyurethane construction for strength and durability. It's engineered to OEM specifications, ensuring a perfect fit. And with a 12-month warranty, you're covered. If you prioritize a reliable, long-lasting solution for your F-350, this is the one to choose. What people say. Perfect fit and performance. I replaced all my F-250 body mounts. They work and fit fine. Number 3. Yoursme KF04060BK Body Mount Bushing Kit for Ford Super Duty. Are you looking to improve your Ford Super Duty's performance? This kit is designed to be a direct replacement for your factory rubber mounts. It will bring back the comfort ride of the OEM body mounts. This kit is specifically designed for Ford Super Duty F-250 and F-350 models from 2008 to 2016. It's engineered for a perfect fit, ensuring easy installation and optimal performance. This kit works for both 2WD and 4WD models. Constructed from a special polyurethane blend, this kit is built to last. It's resistant to vehicle fluids and road grime, outperforming factory mounts. The material helps insulate the cab while maintaining superior holding power. This kit isolates the cab from chassis noise and vibration. It enhances performance and handling characteristics. It's the perfect upgrade for worn stock mounts, especially beneficial in racing applications. The kit includes OE-style replacement steel sleeves and bolts. This ensures a secure and reliable attachment to the frame. Everything you need for a complete and effective upgrade is included. What we like. This body mount kit is designed to isolate cab noise and vibration, enhancing your driving experience. It also improves handling characteristics, making your truck feel more responsive. If you're looking to upgrade your ride and enjoy a quieter, smoother experience, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. Outstanding quality, great product. Worked just like one from the parts house. Kit arrived as advertised. Good quality. Number 2. iKer F250 F350 Body Mount Bushing Kit. Are you looking to enhance the performance of your Ford F250 or F350? This kit is designed to provide durability and impact resistance. It's the perfect solution for a smoother and more reliable ride. The iKer Body Mount Bushing Kit comes with 16 body mounts, steel sleeves, washers, and a comprehensive hardware kit. This ensures you have everything needed for a complete installation. It's a complete package for your convenience. This kit fits various models from 2008 to 2016, including 2WD and 4WD versions. Whether you have a Lariat, Platinum, or Super Duty, it's designed to fit. Make sure to confirm your model before purchasing. The body bushings are made of high-quality polyurethane material. This material is known for its durability and impact resistance. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Before installing, confirm the model compatibility and check all the parts. When removing the bolts, be patient as they have locked tight on them. We appreciate your purchase and trust in our product. We value your purchase of the iKer Body Mount Bushing Kit. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We are honored to provide you with a reliable and high-quality product. What we like. This kit is made of durable polyurethane material, ensuring longevity. It's compatible with a wide range of F250 and F350 models. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete installation. If you're looking for a comprehensive and reliable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Mounts fit well. Defiantly stiff, however not out of the ordinary for a polyurethane mount. Kit was complete though, and only time will tell for durability. Truck rides quiet and body lines are perfect now. Number 1. E-cowlboy Silicone Body Mount Kit for Ford F250 F350. Are you tired of a bumpy ride in your Ford F250 or F350? This kit is designed to replace your old mounts. It will significantly improve your driving experience. This kit is perfectly compatible with 2008 to 2016 Ford F250 and F350 Super Crew models. It fits both 2WD and 4WD versions, including various trim levels. This ensures a seamless installation. Made with top-grade silicone, this kit offers exceptional strength and durability. It resists high and low temperatures, corrosion, and aging, ensuring long-lasting reliability. The components are built to last. These mounts maintain proper body and frame alignment. They provide a more secure attachment to the frame and reduce noise and vibration. You'll feel the difference immediately. The kit includes all necessary components for installation, such as shims, steel cups, and silicone mounts. While bolts are not included, everything else you need is provided. It's a comprehensive solution. We are confident in this product. If you're not satisfied, you can return it within 30 days for a refund. It also comes with a 12-month warranty, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This kit features superior silicone construction, offering enhanced durability and performance. It's specifically designed for crew cab models, ensuring a perfect fit. Moreover, it reduces noise and vibration more effectively than OEM or polyurethane mounts. If you have a crew cab and want the quietest, smoothest ride, this is the kit for you. What people say. This kit includes all 8 bushings as needed for the 4-door full-size cab truck, 6 under the cab and 2 under the radiator. Once the old bushings, or what was left of them, were removed, the new ones installed perfectly in less than an hour. The rough ride and rattle and knock sound that these trucks are famous for, is now gone. The truck cab sits at its correct height in relation to the bed and rides very nicely now. The finished product looks great and functions well too. These appear to be very well made, fit and finish is excellent, and I expect these to last the life of the truck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.